Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SariahRena and I'm back with another video. As y'all can tell by the title of this video, I will be showing you guys how I do my rubber band method for my box braids. It's simple and it's easy. Anybody can do this. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you are old, welcome back, you guys. I have my mirror over here and I have my mirror right here. I have all my products down here. It's like on a little stand or whatever. I got my rubber band, my shining gel, my brush, and my comb. That's all we need for this tutorial, y'all. Before we leave this video, like this video, comment down below, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would definitely help us out a lot over here. Let's get into this video. So y'all, I am all done with my tutorial. It may seem like it's like small, but they're not. It's just how they look, and my hair is already thin, so it might look like a little sparse in between it. So I went ahead and did my edges. I'll be doing my edges like, don't y'all hate when the hair get in your mouth? But anyways, y'all, hope y'all enjoy this tutorial. Like I said, it look thin, but it's not. My hair is just thin. That's just how it is. So I'm just gonna put it up like this. Yeah. Just gonna put it up like this. So I'm about to put my little bonnet on or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Period, poo. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.